Hello, it is RSO back with another video. Now, this is specifically on Tesla and also Apple at the end. If you care about the Apple analysis, I think it's going to be heading more to the downside for Apple, but that's for a little later in this video. Anyways, we're on Tesla. I am bullish, but does that mean I'm going to enter calls right away? No. However, the reason why I turned bullish is because last time we had this bear flag of these, if it lets me, two lows and two highs here, getting this bear flag below the 325 EMA, breaking out and doing a strong push up. From this breakout 412, we actually went all the way pretty much an $80 move, which is huge in the markets. Now, will this happen right away? No, it took some time from November 21st all the way to December. So this is a whole month. Now, with that being said, I am thinking price should be going back to the 480s, 470s, most likely 470s if I get that signal of being of those bull flags or false bear flags that get invalidated and keep continuing to go higher just to fake out all the people just looking at the technical analysis instead of looking at the bigger picture. Now, like I said, it's below the 325 EMA. It's formed a bearish pattern, it's a bullish pattern actually, I should say, but I would still think this as a bear flag. Broke out of it that little bear flag channel, aka the falling wedge, if you want to call it whatever you want to call it, and we are retesting. And so basically, what I'm looking for is a bull flag or bearish flag pattern to get invalidated either on the 4 hour or the 1 hour time frame. Now, with the RSI, it is a bullish divergence. Yes, I could have possibly entered off the breakout, but from my personal experience, this I don't do that. I learned just to be a little more patient and wait longer. But as you can see here, going higher and this is going down. So we are starting to get some momentum. And if you take a look at the MACD, we're also getting that crossover too on the 4 hour mark. And if we go to the daily, you could see that it loves testing this 80 EMA, this 50 EMA. It loves retesting it. Now, is it possible it could come back down after rejecting? For sure. That's the whole point of me being patient and just waiting for the proper entry point. Otherwise, if I entered off this, I would have probably got taken out eventually. Now, if you actually if I measure it here, here to here, you can see it's going to be between 470 and 480, like I said. Now, like I said, does this mean I'm going to enter right away? No, I'm just going to be patiently waiting for the setup and then let this baby ride, probably get longer outdated contracts. Going to be a little pricier, but that's how the game goes. And that's my little analysis for Tesla. Now with Apple, I am more bearish, and the reason why, we just broke below that 325 EMA, aka it is the 50 EMA and this 80 EMA. Okay, so you notice last time we broke it, we went further down. So that's something to look further ahead to. And we don't come back until we break below that 325 and then bounce back up. But so I honestly think it's going to be between 245 to 34, but does that mean it's gonna do it? Like go exactly down that? No, at the moment I have a nice little bear flag on the 1 hour time frame that I'm possibly going to be taking a short position in. Now, this is not financial advice, this is just my documentation purposes. So I am going to be doing this. And mind you, when it's shorter, outdated, or shorter time frames, I'm going shorter, outdated contracts. So I'm not gonna go. I'm probably gonna be buying weeklies or two weeklies just to be on the safe side if this decides to invalidate my thesis. So a break below this 257 level would get me into that 254 range contract. Hitting 2 weeks out. And then also RSI is pretty strong overall. So if we do get that breakdown, we could see that momentum coming down. Now, is it possible that Apple can go up? Absolutely. It could go back to 267 for all I care. But all I care is looking for those false bull flags and those bearish bear flag or bearish pattern setups for Apple. Now, those are my two analysis for heading into next week. I do have some more picks, but I just wanted to make this video very quick, short, simple for people. Just get a quick analysis on that. And yeah, I will explain my analysis on my positions on Silver, Apple, and Walmart on Sunday morning. So until then, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next video.